In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page in Google Docs. If you're formatting a report, separating chapters, or starting a fresh section, adding a proper new page keeps your document clean and consistent. The key is to use a page break rather than pressing Enter multiple times. A page break tells Google Docs exactly where one page should end and the next should begin, which keeps your layout stable even if you edit earlier content later. Start by opening your document in a desktop web browser and make sure you're in editing mode. Place your cursor exactly where you want the new page to start. You'll see the blinking insertion point in the text. Take a moment to think about whether you want the new page to begin after a heading, after a paragraph, or right before a particular section. If you want to keep a paragraph together, click at the end of that paragraph. If you click in the middle of a paragraph, the break will split it at that point, moving the remainder to the next page. With your cursor in position, go to the menu bar at the top, choose Insert, then hover over Break, and select Page Break. As soon as you do, Google Docs will move everything after your cursor to the top of a brand new page. You'll know it worked because the cursor will jump to the start of that new page, ready for you to continue typing. This method preserves your margins, headers, footers, and page numbering, so the new page will match the rest of your document's formatting. Using a page break is especially helpful when you're organizing longer documents. It prevents text from drifting due to edits above, and it ensures that titles, tables, or images that need a clean start won't shift unexpectedly. It also helps when exporting or printing because the layout you see on screen will translate predictably to a PDF or a printed copy. If you're working with structured content like a table of contents or numbered sections, adding a page break keeps those elements neatly separated and easier to navigate. And if you're collaborating, it's clear to everyone exactly where a new section begins, which makes reviewing and commenting much more straightforward. That's all there is to it. Click where you want the new page to start, then Insert, Break, Page Break. It's a simple move that keeps your document tidy, professional, and easy to manage as it grows. Thanks for watching, and happy writing in Google Docs.